Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this video where we'll be analyzing two stocks, that is IOCL and DLF. Similar kind of a chart pattern is observed in both these stocks. So before we begin the video, let me tell you that friends, we try to analyze the charts with the help of technical analysis, and we try to find out the best case scenario that is possible, which can be used for our trading or investing positions. Don't consider these videos as a trading call or a tip or from the point of view of fortune telling. These are educational videos in which we do a study of the charts and try to identify the chart patterns and understand the price action. Before proceeding, let me tell you, if you've not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe, enable the bell icon so that you're updated with all the videos that we post here. You can refer the earlier videos that we have made in this channel. The links are given in the description. So let's move ahead on today's study and let's go on the charts of both DLF and IOC. Here we are on the chart of IOC and we are looking at the monthly time frame first, and what we see eminently here on the charts is that this stock has been in a bearish trend since a very long time now. The price has been making lower lows and lower highs consistently since the last 3 to 4 years. Before that it was in a bullish run, but recently it is in a downtrend. We can see a few shadows along with a few green candles over here which tell us that the price is trying to make a recovery, or this can be just a pullback. We'll go into the weekly time frame and analyze the stock further. So here if we analyze the stock further and we see the recent price action in this region of the chart, we see that the price is facing a support over here, which was the earlier support, and the price is trying to make a breakout of the apex over here. This is a very interesting chart formation over here. Once again friends, we see that this trend line marks the apex of the double bottom formation over here, and this trend line over here, this trend line marks the support of the price action which the price of IOC has been facing over here. So both these trend lines lie at the resistance trend line lies at 87.5 and the support trend line is at 74 over here. And if I zoom this further, we can see that the price on the opening and closing basis is not able to make a decisive breakout of this trend line as of now. The thing to watch out here is that the price is almost taking a support in this region. I'll mark the support price over here once again. We see that the price is facing this support over here, which is at nearly at 86, we can say. So this region over here is acting as a demand zone currently because we see the shadows in the upward direction over here. So the price tried to make an attempt of a breakout of this double bottom apex, but is now currently facing a support, and maybe in the coming days the price can advance in the bullish direction. We will go in the daily time frame to analyze this aspect of the chart once again. So here in the daily time frame, one important aspect I can find out again is if we mark this trend with a trend line over here, you can see friends how the price was facing a support over this trend line over here. If we extend it further in this direction of the chart, we'll definitely find a few more touch points. But here if you see, we find a touch point over here, the price taking a support over here, multiple supports in this part again, and the same trend line acting as a resistance over here, the price taking a resistance here, the price taking a resistance here, the price taking a resistance here, and then finally we see a breakout of this resistance line over here and price approaching yet another resistance, and now the same region is acting as a support. So if we analyze this curve here that the price is trying to make, this shows us that the price is trying to make a sort of a handle formation, though we don't see an evident cup and handle formation over here. And anyhow, a cup and handle formation is a continuous chart pattern, so here we cannot relate it to a cup and handle formation, but a sort of a handle formation is being formed over here, and we can see that the price has made a higher high in this case. So the earlier swing high was this one, and now the price has made this high, which tells us that the price is trying to go into a bullish territory, and this can present a good trading opportunity in front of us. If I draw yet another trend line over here, we see that this trend line has been respected by the price as a resistance on multiple occasions, at least on 3 to 4 occasions over here. So the price will definitely try to advance upwards in this direction and try to test this resistance line once again, or it can test this support line once again. So both the possibilities are on. So here if we try to identify our targets and the stop losses, then we see that if this resistance line is considered as our target, we can attain a target of around 7% over here, and this support line, if it is considered as a support and as a stop loss, so we get a minus 3.2% of a stop loss in this region over here. So it depends on your trading styles, your risk appetites, also your trading experience. You can make use of this study of the chart pattern over here and combine it with other studies and take a valid trading decision over here. The risk reward ratio is in favor over here in this trade opportunity over here. The price can also make higher advances because we don't see a specific resistance, immediate resistance which the price can face over here. Definitely the process will be a slow one. The process will be a one in which the price will try to make higher highs and higher lows in a systematic manner. It won't be a rocket launch as most of us expect it to be. So we need to be patient with this stock of IOC. Recently it is being in the news for some reasons, so maybe we can see some activity, rapid activity in this stock of IOC. Moving on, this is the stock of DLF and we'll be analyzing DLF again. DLF is also showing same kind of a chart pattern. That's why I have picked IOC and DLF together in this video. So here in the monthly time frame, we see that the price is moving sideways since so many years now, and the price is at a very critical support level, you can say, and now the price is recently trying to make an advance in the upward direction, which is evident by these three green candles that the price is making over here. Moving on to the weekly time frame, we see that a similar sort of a formation is there as we saw in case of IOCL, where not exactly we see a apex formation over here, but we can relate it and mark this trend line over here as the apex of a probable double bottom which is formed over here, and this support line will mark the support over here. The price has advanced over this apex line and recently is facing some kind of resistance, and the shadows in the downward direction indicate that the price is rejecting lower prices over here. So let's move on the daily time frame and analyze it further. So here in the daily time frame, friends, we see that once again a sort of a handle formation occurred for a few sessions over here, and then we see a breakout, and now the price is trying to make a low, but the low is a higher low. That is what we want actually on charts, that the price will definitely try to advance in the upward direction, but then we also see small pullbacks, we also see higher lows in the price, and the price currently is taking a support which was a resistance earlier. So if I mark this trend line over here, we see that this period over here the price faced the resistance of this trend line, and now the price is facing the same, is respecting the same trend line as a support. So this is an indication that there is a bullish signal in the stock price, wherein the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and earlier resistances acting as support currently is a healthy sign for any stock. So we see the same possibilities over here, that the price will test this support line over here and then it can continue its activity of higher highs and higher lows. And here if you see, friends, the price has been making this kind of a formation over here, a rounding formation over here, and recently we see a retest of the previous resistance over here, which was the apex of this rounding formation, you can call it. So if we try to project the target over here, we can do this in this manner. If we project this depth over here in the upward direction, we find that we get a projection of around a price level of around 173. So let me mark this with a trend line over here once again. So we see that this trend line can be the support of the resistance, the resistance of the immediate swing high that we can get here. So if we calculate how much room there is for expansion for the price, it is around 6 to 7% till the price attains this target. And for the help of the stop loss, if I mark another trend line over here, we see that the price respected this particular trend line in this part of the chart over here. So this part of the chart, if you see closely, this part of the chart taking support on this trend line. So this immediate trend line can be the indication of your stop loss. So if we calculate how much Stop loss we can attain over here. So this is around a 3 to 4%. In fact, more than that. So depends on your risk reward ratio again, that how much stop loss you would intend to keep over here. The target here can be at a swing high of 172. In fact, if the price continues to advance and makes higher highs and higher lows, we can see higher targets being achieved in this case. But then you have to trail your stop loss and make sure that you are protected in the downside once again. So this is in a nutshell how we can identify the possibilities in IOC and DLF. Almost similar kind of possibilities we can see in both these stocks as of now. This was a detailed study of both these stocks. We identified what possibilities we can see, and we also identified the long-term trends which are still intact in both these stocks. A similar kind of a chart pattern is observed in both these stocks over here. So you can make use of these studies and accompany them with your own trading styles, setups and psychologies, which differs from trader to trader and investor to investor, and make full use to the maximum capacity of this study and take a beneficial and a healthy trading decision. So friends, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you have liked this video, please make sure that you share it on your social media platforms and also like the video. Please subscribe the channel, enable the bell icon so that we can benefit most number of traders and investors by sharing such studies with them at the earliest. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We'll be back again. See you again.